Heidi here with RV Roadway of Opelika, and I wanted to come on here and show you some of the newest arrivals that we have. These are the brand new 2025 half-ton towable Puma, Palomino Puma Camping Edition trailers, and we have so many of them and so many different floor plans. So we're going to do just a real quick breakdown. Very simple, very easy. Let's go. So like I said, we have multiple different floor plans. So real quick, I'm just going to let you see the exterior of the camping editions. As you can tell, these are definitely SUV towables, half-ton towables. You do have large, massive pass-through storage on each one, which is very popular with the Puma Camping Edition or just Palomino Puma in general. This is the 123 RDCE. So this one's going to have a rear dinette, queen bed up front. And we're going to go through these very fast, guys, because I want to be very respectful of your time and show you everything we have. You do have a fully equipped kitchen. You do have a microwave, 2-burner cooktop with a sink. You do get the Furrion refrigerator. Here is your rear dinette. It does come with a radio. Lets you look on the inside of the refrigerator. And it does have its own wet bath. So toilet, shower. You got a nice little rounded shower rod for elbow room. So this is once again the 123 RDCE. Here's your TV backer storage right here. Now, let me show you the next floor plan that we have. This one is the 122. This one is going to have a bunkhouse. Not a bunkhouse, I'm sorry. It's going to have a bunk beds. So 122 BHCE. Opening it up. Same thing up front. You're going to have that queen bed. Plenty of storage right here next to your bed and above your bed. You got your same TV backer. Same type of kitchen setup. Microwave, 2-burner cooktop. You do have that square size sink with plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Here is your Furrion refrigerator, and here's your twin single over single bunks. Nice size windows for natural lighting. Opening this up, here's your refrigerator, and you have the same wet bath in here as well. Same little elbowed out shower rod. You do have a fan in there too for natural lighting. Oh my gosh, to get some air. To get some air going in there when you're in the shower, because you're gonna need it. And of course, same size pass-through storage on this one as well. Open it up and let you see. Boom. All right, now going to this one right here, you're looking at the 121 RKCE. So this one right here is gonna have a rear kitchen setup. If you don't really care to sleep extra campers, maybe it's just you by yourself or you and your honey, this one's a good floor plan. Same thing up front. Once again, you got that queen bed, storage beside and above. Right here to the in front of me, you're going to have a jackknife sofa. If you did need to sleep in extra camper, you got storage underneath this jackknife sofa and storage above. You got a huge GE AC in here as well, guys. And here is your rear kitchen. You're looking at a little bit more countertop space, square size sink, 2-burner cooktop, Furrion microwave. You got storage. There's your TV backer, and here is your Furrion refrigerator. And your bathroom right here. Same setup. Same setup. So these are very nice if you're not wanting to spend a whole lot of money and you really don't need that big of a camper. Now we do have even more. 121, 122, you've seen the 123s. Coming over here, it's going to get a little bit smaller in size. You're looking at the 16 QBX. This one's actually not smaller, it's longer, so I need to get it together. This is going to be, once again, the 16 QBX. Walking in, you're going to have a walk-around queen bed. Yeah, this is most definitely a little bit bigger. Still can tow it with an SUV. Can still be a half-ton towable. Lot more countertop space, square sink, 2-burner cooktop, microwave, refrigerator. Right here, you're going to have a little bit wider booth dinette. TV backer right here. Radio to listen to some music with an oversized window. And you're going to get a rear bath. A little bit more spacious in here. Foot flush toilet. A lot bigger shower. Very nice. And turning around, huge vanity. Big sink. Lots of space in here, guys. This is the 16 QBX. Same type of pass-through storage. This one looks even bigger. Loving these, guys. These are selling really quick. We're doing really good with these. Come and snag you one. We got them at both dealerships, RV Roadway in Calera and Opelika, Alabama. That's right. When I thought I was done, I was not, guys. I left one out. I'm so sorry. Can't be doing that. How dare I? This one right here, same thing. Gonna be a little bit longer. This is a 16 BHCE. So bunk bed. It's not a bunkhouse. It's more like bunk beds, but it's gonna be the bunkhouse camping edition. Same thing with the large pass-through storage. And coming on the inside, you're going to have a north-south style queen bed, storage above and beside. Turn around, you're going to have that jackknife sofa. And as you can see, you're going to have twin bunk over bunk in the rear. Fully set up kitchen, same thing, square sink, 2-burner cooktop, microwave, Furrion refrigerator right here. And you're going to get that oversized shower in this rear bathroom as well. Teddy bear bunk series, lights and USB outlets, foot flush toilet. You are not getting a vanity in this one, but you are getting a wider shower. And this is the 16 BHCE. Thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to come on here and show you what all we got coming in. Once again, located at both locations. You can call or text us and we would be happy to help you out. It's time for you and your family to take life on the road. Thank you, guys.